Do you rent in Ohio? With over 1 million renters in the state, Ohio has one of the highest percentages of residents who rent in the country. The awful news is that there's a theft of property within the state every 88 seconds. And the majority of its renters do not have renter's insurance. This means renters just like you are coming home to a catastrophe with no protection. Now, if you live in Cincinnati, Columbus, Cleveland, or any other city in the state, we here at Effective Coverage are able to protect you at the most affordable price with fantastic coverage. The exciting news is that according to the Insurance Information Institute, Ohio renter's insurance only costs $183 per year. You can call one of our insurance experts, or even easier, log on to our website at effectivecoverage.com and purchase a policy for typically even less. Now, we recognize the folks from Ohio are the best sports fans in the country. Whether they love to play golf or watch the Cleveland Cavaliers down the block is an amazing opportunity. But you're still vulnerable to windstorms that occur throughout the state and other catastrophes. That's why you need to protect yourself from a potential catastrophe with our affordable Ohio renter's insurance. Ohio renter's insurance has many different coverages. That's why the policy could be about 30 pages. But they can all be boiled down into three particular groups. The first group is your personal liability insurance. This part protects you if you were to cause bodily injury or property damage to another. Let's say that you contributed to one of the nearly 200,000 cooking fires that occur every year by leaving your stove unattended. Although folks from Ohio love to take leisurely walks down the street, every now and then they're going to run into a situation where their property is damaged, and they're going to look for the person who caused that damage and potentially sue the negligent party. That's where your liability insurance comes in. Next is your personal property coverage. Personal belongings such as furniture, clothing, and electronics will need to be replaced if a fire or other catastrophe occurred. These policies protect you should your property need to be replaced, even from something as small as smoke damage from a fire that happens a few apartments down the hall. The last part of coverage on your Ohio renter's insurance is loss of use. Our research from credible sources shows that a standard hotel in Cleveland may cost $140 per night. Loss of use coverage on your renter's insurance policy pays for that hotel stay after a covered loss. Now, here's the great news. You can have all the insurance you need 5 minutes from right now. Why would you shop anywhere else but a specialist for renters? We're the only full-service insurance provider in the country dedicated specifically to renters, and that is why it's called Effective Coverage for Renters. Simply give us a call and speak with one of our insurance experts, or visit our website at effectivecoverage.com and purchase your Ohio renter's insurance policy right there. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.